I wanted to show you, often this is a bit of space here, that even though you think you've got a logo like me, I do change mine now and again. The channel art, you don't always take full advantage of it. I realise that people come into the YouTube channel and not realising what the channel might be about. Now, if you've built your brand very well, you may not need to describe what it's about, but if you're still trying perhaps to get to a level where you want your channel monetized, it's a good idea to let people know as soon as they perhaps hit that area. Also, when your details do pop up on your video at the end, it uses a couple of words at the end to describe what your channel's about. So when your subscription, I don't think it's on this video, but when it says subscribe and there's a little description at the side, there's often a few words describing what your channel is. So I want to today change this area, this channel art area, and in order to do that, you would use this button here. You click on there and then it would take you to the area where it says you can change the channel art. So I'm going to keep this picture here for a while, but this is the area here. Once you've clicked the image, the channel art button, and it will show you what your banner looks like on your page. So you would click change here to change it and then upload something new. And here is where you put a description in. I've changed the description as well. So these are the words that pop up next to your image on the subscription button and the name. So these few words will pop up with perhaps these first 5 words or so. So I've changed it to wealth and health mindset, and then obviously I'll put what is it, so that people realise that my channel might actually be about that. And I've written a longer description to say that the channel explores the dynamics between relationships of stress, confidence, habits, on general health and wealth. So it's about mindset. So the next stage is to create some new channel art. So again, I've gone over to Canva, and some art that I was using for a video as a thumbnail for a video, I have edited to be the channel art. You can do that by going to the home page and putting in channel or YouTube channel art. Or you can scroll down and find it. You can create one from scratch using your own images, or you can pick one of these that are already been designed. Something that fits your style or your topic. So there's quite a few to scroll through. Just pick and change them as you wish, or use them as ideas for your own artwork. Okay, so the original one that I had wasn't big enough apparently, so it wouldn't allow me to upload that. So I found a new one, rejigged the layout by moving these around and bringing the letters back together. Just change that actually. And stretching down on it. And again saving it, a new title on it, two-tone. Channel art. I'm going to save it by pressing the file and save, and then downloading it to my computer. So now I've gone back to my channel, clicked the photo image on the channel art, and I'll come back to the channel customization area. So I'm going to press change, and then I'll access my computer and upload it from my computer to the channel banner image art area. Okay, so that's telling me now what's showing in the area where it will be viewable. So I'm going to adjust it, see if I can. If not, then I need to go back into Canva and redo the art into the visible desktop area. Okay, so we'll do that now. Cancel and then go back to Canva. So I've adjusted the size by clicking on the black box and then shrinking it down, and also clicking on the name here and then shrinking that down as well. Hopefully this will fit, so I'm going to save it again and then see if it fits. I think originally it was the right size, but I moved it around a little. Save that. So I again pressed change and uploaded the new banner with the shrunken areas, and as you can see it's showing it there. So then I I'll just move this over. I'm happy with that. I just click publish and can see what it looks like. Go to channel and then it will show me. So now here is the new banner with the title, the website, and also some information, just a couple of words to describe what the channel is about. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial.
Remember to like, comment and share so that you can follow along and join in with the £100,000 income challenge. Also, take a look at some of my other videos suggested here. Thank you.